And wait. And I got this trinket box. Hello, mic testing. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Shiny. And I was very much impressed and a little bit shocked that you guys have watched my previous video, like the long video. So I'm back with another long video. But last time you guys liked it because of the English. I don't know, you guys have to tell me. Nobody is telling me. So I went to the fair. Bengali mein bolti hu. One thing is very common in us girls, that we love buying things. We like to unbox things, and we like the surprise and the looking at the things. And when we buy, we feel like we're buying a lot of things. After buying it seems like ittu sahi to kharida. But yeah, so I'm gonna do unboxing. So mele pe jaake what can you buy? Nothing special, but this time I bought this cute things. Like I bought this cute little headband. Meow. Okay, let me try another thing, Meow. I'm going to wear it the whole time. Let's not waste time, I talk a lot. Okay, I bought some clips, like this is so pretty. It looks like a butterfly, but wow. Like if this is the back of my head, this will look like this. And I bought this. I love fluffy things, like this one and this one. And this is actually my favorite aesthetic go-to color. Like as you can see my background, this like beige, white, black, these are the color I want. Brown, gray, these are the color I want in my life. So this looks like this, this looks like this. Both are fluffy. No, I'm not gonna try that. And I got this cute little things which are mostly made for kids, but who cares? And you know what I did? I don't like green that much, so there was 2 greens. So what I did, I told them, okay, let me change one green for purple, and they let me. You just need to be a little bit like cute and like, please let me change it. Then they will be like, sure. जो पसंद है ले लो भाई. इतने प्यार से बोल रहे हो. ये ऐसे बनाऊंगी मैं videos. At least कहीं पे तो मैं पहन के बैठूं. And this is for me because when I'm like working और मैं अपना video बना रही हूँ, कुछ भी कर रही हूँ ना, mostly I need to do something, है ना? हाथ में हमेशा I'm like doing something. शांत में बैठ नहीं सकती. From Among Us, as I think you guys can tell already. I have a phone cover like this. वो भी इसी काम के लिए. It's very satisfaction. I got this little trinket box, as you guys can see. These are so cute. I had to get 2 of them. Look at this. This one is unicorn, of course. You can see the color combination. And I have a thing for keychains. मेरे बैग्स में ना बचपन से keychains बड़े-बड़े होते हैं. हर एक चेन में एक keychains और न्यू तरह के keychains. मुझे थोड़ा प्यार है keychains के साथ. I don't know why. अभी right now मेरे सारे बैग्स पे keychains लगा हुआ है नहीं है. But I have a collection of I don't know more than 20 keychains at my home. जिनका I don't know मैं क्या करूँगी. मैंने वापस से और भी खरीदा है आज. So yeah, I have a thing for it. I like to collect them. This one is so cute. इसमें कुछ ना कुछ तो रखूँगी. ये तो I think सबको पता है ना. These earrings, they are so unique. ये मैं ना आफ्टरनून पे बैठी हूँ ताकि लोग इस टाइम पे सो रहे होंगे, इनको आवाज़ करनी होती है. These are the like earrings. These are so cute. मैंने ऑनलाइन पे देखा था. Of course प्राइस ज़्यादा था. कितना था? It was only for 40 rupees. ऑनलाइन पे ये 150 से ज़्यादा है I think. I bought this rainbow bunny. नहीं, I bought this rainbow teddy. Everybody is obsessed with teddy, but मुझे थोड़ा unique style के teddies पसंद है. So Jiraiya. This is just a puff ball, nothing else. It's just I told you. This one is nothing special. I had another one जो boba drink होता है ना, वो वाला मेरे एक बैग पे हमेशा से लगा हुआ है. I think 2 years से ज़्यादा हो गया. तो उसी की तरह है ये वाला. But this is a panda in a bottle. This is cute. Now my favorite part about this shopping, keychain. I got this too. I got my favorite character Nezuko, my favorite female character Nezuko, and my favorite male character. अगर सुकूना मिल जाता तो मैं ज़्यादा खुश हो जाती, बट इससे भी काम चला लेंगे. इतादोरी से भी काम चला ही लेंगे. एक ही बात है, थोड़ा इतादोरी के यहाँ पर टैटू कर लो और उसका परसेंट स्प्लिट हो जाए तो मुझे सुकूना वैसे भी मिल जाएगा. एटलीस्ट इसके हाथ में तो सुकूना है, और क्या चाहिए. ठीक है, बट मुझे सुकूना मिला नहीं, तो ये दिख गया था मुझे. तो ऐसा मुझे चाहिए, और ये वाला ज़्यादा स्मूथ है. लुक, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do when I'm sitting alone doing my thing and I'm bored or I'm sitting in front of the camera. Look at this. ये मेरे बैकपैक में रहेगा. गिर गया, भारी है यार. इस वाले से भी ज़्यादा भारी है. Prices are almost, ये सबके प्राइस सेम है 150 का सब. ये वाला भी. Look at this. How cute cheese. इसके जो एक्शन फिगर है मेरे पास है, but that one वो हल्के होते हैं, ये ज़्यादा भारी है यार. Look at how cute cheese. एक मुझे अभी ज़ेनित्सु भी चाहिए इसके साथ. फील करेगी. I'm talking in Hindi. Shit. That's okay. You guys will manage. I need a break. I'm tired already. Nah. किसको break चाहिए? I got. I don't know if you guys know or not. I had a cup like this 750 ml का, और वो black color में था. That had Mickey Mouse ears, और वो मुझसे उसका जो ढक्कन है ना वो मुझसे थोड़ा सा टूट गया. So I got this new one. And I don't know what is wrong with me, but I'm going for this color recently very much. Like, you know, the sky blue, pinkish kind of tone. I don't know why. Like, maybe my aesthetics are changing, whatever. I don't care. But yeah, it's cute. It's so cute. You know, if your girlfriend is not drinking enough water, buy her cute bottles or cute sippers like this. She will definitely drink water. We will just drink it because it is cute. Like, I buy such nice bottles with like with so much prices just because so that I can feel like drinking water, you know, like I can feel like, chalo let's drink water. So now this is all I bought. Iske alawa I bought some of the things like for my mom and all, nothing serious, so I'm not showing those. And now what I'm going to show you guys, it is what I bought to eat. You know, I'm a big foodie, and mostly when I go to the mela or the fair, jo bhi aap bolo, I go for the achar ka dukan, you know, the pickle shop. There is where my heart is, and I spent all my money there only. Okay, I couldn't wait, and I opened this one and ate it because like I went to the fair a day before yesterday. So yeah, this is imli flavor candy, kind of shower candy kind of thing. तो वहाँ पे ना ऐसे जो ना 100 ग्राम 150 ग्राम 200 ग्राम ऐसे मिलता है, like 40 rupees या 45 rupees for 100 grams. So this was, I don't know, 50 rupees. This is something you can only find in the buses or the trains. The local dukaan pe you can't find it, you know, you can't find it in your local store. And this is something reminds me of my childhood, so I got it. And I got this. This is cute. I will go again and I will get it again, but this time in the flavor red. This one is strawberry. I think that one is cherry or something. I don't remember, but yeah. And I got this. This is marshmallow, nothing special. I like to eat marshmallows. So yeah, what I used to do every year in these fairs, I will go and I will buy those huge packets of marshmallow, like big ones. But this time I couldn't find those, so I got this one only. And like this one is a shower candy. This one is amla, whatever you call, like amla. What do you guys call amla? Huh, yeah, it is amla. But what is amla in English? I'm not sure. Maybe amla. I'm not sure. So, uska candy hai, amla ka. And this one, they have told me kiska hai, but I don't remember. And this is the flavor I love the most. And every time I got this, like this is the biggest size, you know. And after eating this, like in 1 week or something, the fair will be here. After this, there will be 2 other fairs, and I will go and buy this again. So yeah. And these are the achar I'm gonna go with. This is aam kashundi achar, I think. And this is chaltar achar. I'm not excited about anything else. I'm so excited about the food only, about the achar and all stuff. So yeah, what can I do? I'm a kid at my heart, you know. I ate a lot of things, and next time I will go, I will try other achars, you know. So आज का वीडियो इतना ही. I'm sorry, and I forgot and I started talking in Hindi. You know, mostly I do that, and it is very stupid of me. But what can I do? You guys can adjust, right? Bye. And if you guys like this video, and if you guys want to see more of these videos, let me know.